NASDAQ this week has risen in value. We can see the week started with this bullish candle, continued to rise in value, reaching 21509.31, a resistance level, returned back down, but trying again to move to the higher price levels, where the price has managed to reach to 1799.87, the resistance level, but the price has returned back down. We can see that on a Friday, which means this was an indecision candle or between the buyers and the sellers, but we can see on the weekly time frame it is currently a bullish candle movement here. In the previous week, we can see that this candle has just confirmed the bullish breakout. The price did not return all the way back down, and the price continued to rise in value. So this was a bullish week also for the price, and the month has closed as a bullish month. So this month has been closed, and we can see that this bullish candle has formed a bullish breakout about 2974, a resistance level, which means targeting again, trying to move to the higher price levels. So this is something that I'm expecting, that the NASDAQ will move in the next month, probably higher, but there is a chance that the price returns back down to 2974 just to confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one. We will see how the price will behave on the lower time frames like weekly. For now, the weekly shows me a bullish, which means this 2974 is holding a support level, which means targeting higher price levels. This is the weekly, so we can see that also the daily needs to make a bullish break at about 21509.31, the resistance level, in order for the price to reach again higher price levels. So this is the target for the price next week, to make a bullish break at above this area of resistance. And if the price goes down, which means below 2974.17, this will mean that the price has returned back down inside the bearish mode. But let's see day by day how the price will behave. But currently I'm more inclined to see NASDAQ on the higher price levels. Also remember that I share the details when there is bullish or bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. For example, this week we can see here I have shared with the traders this bearish breakout with this bearish candle targeting right here at the blue line, and we can see it was a successful trade where the prices reached that price level. After that, the price returned back down, forming again bullish momentum where the prices reached this area of resistance, then they returned back down. This kind of a bearish breakout or bullish breakout you can receive inside the premium analysis, so feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.